Angular has just announced a tiny but mighty feature, that is the let statement in the control flow. Now what does it do? It lets you declare variables directly within your templates. So no more hopping back and forth to the component class if you need to just create a few more variables. This is super useful for handling falsy values, for example 0, null, etc. that would normally break your template logic. Now, how does this work? First of all, in your HTML template, you can put @let count equals to items.length, for example, as a value. And now you can just use the if block and you have your code just like this. Now, what are the benefits of this? Obviously, this will allow you to have cleaner templates. So no need for extra properties or conditions just to handle some falsy values. And this is something I've been waiting for quite a while, and this really improves the developer experience. So write your template logic where it actually makes sense, right in the template, and I think this is a game changer. And again, it might not be world ending, but it's a nice little addition that streamlines Angular templates, and I really like these small changes coming up for the past couple of years. Now try it out and see if the let statement makes your templates a bit more elegant, and let me know in the comments what you think about this. And if you want to take your Angular skills to the next level, check out the Angular Cookbook 2nd edition, which I just recently released, and I always make sure that it is up to date with the latest Angular version. And it contains a lot of topics from component communication to unit tests, end-to-end tests, animations, and also progressive web apps and optimizations according to performance as well. So this is my go-to cheat sheet because I often forget things about Angular, and most of the topics I can find within this book. So find the link in the description. And as always, happy coding.